Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. Guys, we are going to go into another variation of cable pattern, and I've already started guys. So I'm going to show you how these cable patterns work. This particular cable pattern, how it works, how you are going to work on it. So you can see the needle layout right here. So I'm having 6 needles, each. So this is set of 6 needle, and this is another set of 6 needles. So there's some needle on resting position. You can see the side just to demarcate the cable pattern. So I'm having, you know a needle by the side to separate it from the normal knitting, to make it a panel. So I'm having one line of the stitches is on a position, and at the middle, to divide the 6 set of needles each, I remove one needle too at the center of the 6 needles each. Then at the edge by this side, there's another needle on resting position. So before I show you how you are going to twist your cable, I want to say, if you are just coming by my channel for the first time, you are welcome. This is Knitting Catalog, where we have fun in knitting. So to my existing subscriber, thank you for supporting me in this channel. I really appreciate you guys. So right now, let's go into how to knit this cable pattern. So I'm going to use 2 needle transfer tools, you can see, and one. So guys, you can see the set of 6 needles right now. So let's see how I'm going to cross this. So I'm going to use 2 transfer tools and place it on this last one. Then the next needle beside this, I'm going to place this on it, then bring them to E position and push them back to remove the stitches on the transfer tools. Then this is going first by this side, so I'm going to cross this here and let this overlap it. So that's it. Then I'm going to come here and remove this, then and take this, then cross it over to the last needle and make this overlap. So that's the crossing of this. Then you can see what I mean. These last 2 needle, these last 2 are the major needle. Then these 2 at the center is going to be, one needle at a time, and it's going to be going first. So let's see what I mean. So here is the 2 needles. Then I'm going to push them out, push them in to remove the stitches. Then I'm going to hang it here. Then this go first, you can see. Then I'm going to overlap it with this. This is going to overlap the one needle that goes first. Then this is the one needle at the center for these 3 sets of needle. Then I'm going to push this out and remove the stitches, then remove this, then take this to the last end needle, then this go right now to overlap it. So you can see what I mean. Then I'm going to push all the needle to E position for easy knitting, for the carriage to pass on it easily. Then I'm going to knit 4 rows right now. So that's it. Let's go over it again. So this is going to be out, and this, as the single needle, is going to be crossing to this side, and this two is going to overlap it. So this and this to this side. Then I'm going to remove the stitches right now. Then the single needle stitches is going to the extreme end needle, then this is going to overlap it. So that's the crossing. So I'm going to repeat what I did here to this set of 6 needles. So I'm going to go, these last 2 needles are going to be 2, and the center one is going to be, remove as a single stitches. So let's see, I'm going to go this way and this way, then remove this, then I'm going to take the single stitch to here, then this is going to overlap it. That's it. Then I'm going to come here with the 2 transfer tools, then single one, then push out, push back in to remove the stitch, then this go first, the single needle goes first, then this is going to cross over. After then, I'm going to push on my needle back to E position or D position according to your knitting machine bed. Then I'm going to knit 4 rows. So guys, you can see what we have. So let's see what we have, guys. So you can see how beautiful this design is. You can see how it's looking like. And this is the needle we remove. You can latches it up. You can decide to be knitting it. At the end of the day, unravel it and latch them up. So this is what we have, guys.